And now we're going to ride a ride that we call the Love Boat, and for good reason. So I use all sorts of Love Boat jokes on this. And the reason we call it Love Boat is it's a ride you got to sit really close together, but it's really cool. And it's actually one of the original improvements in 1959. So come with me as we go on the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage. That used to be the submarines, but now the people of Pixar have taken it over, and well, it's really cool. And the employees could not be any more happier. Permission to come aboard, Captain. How are Gopher and Doc? Are they good? This is a Love Boat where everybody sits too close together, right?
Oh yeah.
Of course. Me and all the mad teacups in my head.
What's that?
Oh, me and all the mad teacups in my head.
Okay.
Yes, like the new one. And in a second, you will find out what we call this the Love Boat. Love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you, and love, the sweetest rewards. They pack us like sardines here. Oh yes. So you have to sit right next to, and you get to know your friends very well. Hello, how are you? Yes. Very good. I was explaining why we call this a Love Boat, because we have to sit so close together.
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat.
Rescue ready to normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks. Let's take her down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Troop out diving planes, 3 degrees.
Three down diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Take her down easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 1/2 knots.
06 at 1/2.
Steer 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right, rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take you down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold at 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
Fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Oh, where are you, son? Whatever you need to see. Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Time aboard explorers, it's time to go.
Nemo's swimming out the sea!
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore,
Let's go! Follow me to the EAC!
Nemo, oh, lost again.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. All head standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle. Look at you!
Hey, Dad! I got Nemo!
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
It's a big sunken pot.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, no!
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find him.
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right there, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons to pop.
Secure station. System check.
Hold steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait.
What?
Lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Something touched me!
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? It looks like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
It's jellyfish!
And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Going.
Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory! We're invited to a party! Let's go!
I love parties.
It's not about finding hot dogs. It's about finding Nemo!
Right behind you.
I was so worried!
What?
Hey, you guys noticed the earlier volcano?
Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh, can we?
When fish can fly.
I found Timo.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Nemo! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Surf the volcano! That's real! Why is that whale eating that young submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Like it's never gonna be
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it good? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna...
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! What? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run into the sea serpent or encounter the mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Welcome back, friends. We hope you enjoyed that voyage. There's some submarine traffic up ahead, but we will be resuming momentarily. Please stay in your seats until the camera lights turn on.
Freedom, freedom from the Love Boat.
Okay. Send it away for a second.
All right. Yeah, my wallet kind of stuck out there. Have a good day, Captain. Say hi to Gopher and Doc for me. All right. See you later, Captain. So take it from me, if you want to get closer to your friends or family, or you want to take that special lady and you want to smooch, take her on the Love Boat. That's right, the freaking Finding Nemo Submarine ride. Take care, happy birthday, doo-doo-doo, and don't you go changing, or I'll find you, and I will sink you down to the mermaid's level. You used to have cute little doo-doo-doo mermaids there, but I guess the water was too chlorinated. All right, oh, look at that mountain, eat that submarine. Oh my gosh.